Hello everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. This video is a part of our Java tutorial, our running Java course. So what is today's topic? Let us see to it. So today's topic is scanner class in Java. What does it mean? It basically means taking input. So let me show that in detail. How does it work? Okay, so here I am in my IntelliJ window. So I want to add two numbers. What I'm going to do? Integer A equal to let's say 40. Integer B equal to let's say 50. Okay, and when we print it, we say A plus B. Alright, upon running the program, what do we get? We get 90. 40 plus 50, 90. Okay, now I will say you, sir, I want to give my own numbers for the addition. I want to give my own numbers. So, sir, please do a facility for me. What I'm going to do? So, how to import scanner class? Just we have to write scanner. Okay, and scanner comes from java.util package. How can you understand this? Hover on this, you can see it comes from java.util package. Alright, and scanner demo. Okay, here our class is scanner demo. In this scanner demo class, another package has been imported. What is that? Java.util. And what is it importing? Scanner class from java.util package. You have to import because it is another package. So to bring something from that package, you have to import it, right? So over here I've imported the scanner class. Now I will create a variable. You can give any name to the variable. I've given SC. Give it a meaningful name. Alright, then I will create a new object of the scanner class. Alright, like this. I'll use the new keyword, and after that I will use this scanner class. This is how I will create a new object of my scanner class. And we are going to learn objects in some other video. I'll surely make a video for it. Now within this parenthesis, okay, I will write system.in. Why in? In stands for input. We are taking an input from the user, right? So we are using system.in. So we have done our declaration. Now I will take the input of two numbers, right? So integer, let's say number 1 equals, what we'll do is we'll call the SC variable. Okay, SC scanner. Now using the dot operator, I'll call next int. Now you might say me, why next int only? Because we are taking an integer value, right? We are taking an integer value for addition. So next int. Alright, there are many other data types, and like the scanner class has specific methods for specific data types, which I am going to tell you. Let's first focus on this. Now integer number 2. Now sc dot what variable, what type of data type is it? Next int, integer. So we are going to use the next int method again. Now for better clarity, let us print a statement. Enter first number. Alright, we are going to remove this ln, otherwise it will go to the next line and it will seem very irritating. So copy this, paste it over here again, enter second number. Alright, when we are supposed to print it, we'll say the result is, and we are going to concatenate number 1 plus number 2. One more thing, this number 1 plus number 2 is supposed to be under parenthesis. Why? Because if you do not include it under parenthesis, it will concatenate everything and your answer will come wrong. This is the problem. Okay, so now let us run our code. So our first answer was 90. Now I'm supposed to enter my first number. Let me enter 50. Second number, let me give 60. The result is 110. Beautiful. Now I was supposed to tell you the specific methods for other data types. So for boolean, say 1, 2, equal to SC dot operator next boolean. Okay, so this dot next boolean method is used for boolean values, and we'll comment out all of this. Now when we run our program, and suppose I want to vote, so I will enter true. Okay, suppose you enter, instead of true you enter capital this one. Okay, that is also right. False, that is also right. Capital, that is also right. You have to just enter true or false, that is it. Whatever uppercase, lowercase, camel case, this case, that case, nothing will happen. Just needs to be a boolean. Suppose you enter 600. There is exception, there is an error. Okay, because it is a boolean, not an integer, long, or any other sort of thing. Alright, now what if it is a byte? Okay, what if it is a byte? Byte, let's say, we'll give it 1. Okay, there's a meaningful name. SC dot next byte. Okay, then you have to enter a byte value. Okay, if you enter something else than byte value, other than its range, if you go out of its range, it will give you an exception or error, whatever it is. Okay, so you have to enter within it. Now for a short, it's next short. For long, it's next long. So like this, for specific data types, there are specific methods. You can try out long, then double, float. Okay, they're all next double, next float. It starts with next. Okay, if you search a little bit, you'll get it. So now let us see to string. So over here I declared a string, let's say name, and I give it the value of sc dot next line. Okay, so for string, the method that we use is next line. Okay, now when we we wrote this, now I want to print. Okay, I want to print name. Alright, let's run the program now. So now let me give over here, I am Shinjini. Okay, so what does it print? It prints the value of name. So what is the value of name? It is I am Shinjini, so it prints I am Shinjini. Okay, now there is another method for string. Okay, which is next, only next. Okay, now when we run the program once more, and I write I am Shinjini, then I press enter, it prints only I. Tell me why? Because over here we have used the next method, right? And the next method takes only one token. It takes only one word. Okay, so when we print name, only I is taken. Okay, only one word or one token will be taken. Alright, but next line takes the whole thing that you're writing, whole input, but next will take only one token or one word. Alright, so this is the basic difference between next line and next. The two methods used to take string inputs. Okay. So with this task, we end our video. For more videos like this, please make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe to IntelliSkills. This is Shinjini signing off. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing and keep exploring. Have a great day ahead. Bye.